Students, in previous class we have completed our first chapter. Okay, from today's class we will start with this second chapter, that is large numbers. Okay, so I think you have no doubts in first chapter revision. Okay, if you have any doubts, once again see the video. So here first bit is warm up. He has given some warm up. Okay, first one, write the following numbers in figures. This is in page number 101. Write the following numbers in figures. Okay, so first one is 1,09,598, I think 538. So the number is 1,09,538. So he has given the number name, you have to write in the numerical form. What is that? So for this I am writing the answer, 1,95,538. This is the answer. Okay, second one, 4,711. 711 means 4,711. Okay, he has not given anything in thousands period. Okay, in thousands place, in 10,000s and thousands, nothing, which no number is there. That's why we are keeping zeros. So observe the sentence, 4,711. 4 lakh, 4 is in lakhs place, and 00 because he has not mentioned anything about thousands place. So 00, 711, 711. So with this we have completed the first question. Okay, this is for your, just for your revision, like that. Okay, revision of the concept. So this figure or numerical anything means you have to write the number. Okay, so next one, next question is, write the following numbers in words. Write the following numbers in words. Clear? Write the following numbers in words. So you have to write the number name. Words means 145,326. What is the number name? 1,45,000. 1,45,326. That is the first number name. Second one, 390,504. 3,90,000. 3,90,504. Okay, this is the second one. Third one, C, 999,999. What is this? 9,99,000. 999. Okay, this is the third answer. Fourth one, 405006. 405006. Okay, this is 4,05,006, because in hundreds place, about 10,000's place, about hundreds place, about tens place, he has not mentioned in the number, so that's why you got zeros in these digits. Okay, so 4,05,006 is the answer. So we have completed the second bit also. It's very easy, but once again for your revision I am saying that, or else you can also do on your own. Okay, next one. What is the next one? Third bit. Write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers. Write the successor and predecessor of each of the following numbers. Clear? So you have to write the successor and predecessor for each number. You have to write both successor and predecessor. Read the heading carefully, okay? You should write both. So this is the number 84,899. For this you have to write the successor, you have to write the predecessor. So successor for this number is 84,000. So if you add plus 1, you will get the successor. No, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9, 8 4. Okay, so what is the answer? 84,900 is the successor for first one. Okay, so 84,899. No, so for this successor is 84,900. Next predecessor is 84,898. So this is the successor, this is the predecessor. Okay, next one. Next one is what? 1,90,280. 1,90,280. So what is the successor? 1,90,281 is the successor. What is the predecessor? 1,90,279 is the predecessor. So for predecessor you have to do -1 from the given number. For successor you have to add 1. Okay, so next one, 4,75,611. This is the number. For this predecessor is what? So first one successor, no, we have to follow it serially. Okay, successor is what? 4,75,612. Predecessor is what? 4,75,610. Okay, if you do -1 from this number, you will get this predecessor. If you do +1, you will get the successor. Next one, D. 5,46,100. Clear? So for this successor is how much? 5,46,101. Predecessor is what? 5,46,009. Before 100 what you will get? 99. So this is the predecessor, this is the successor. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, you have to write the successor and predecessor for each number there. Okay, so with this we have completed the third bit. Next bit, next bit is write the following numbers in expanded form. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Clear? So you have to write the expanded form. Okay, first one, A 2 0 5 4 9 1 4 3 1, sorry. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is lakhs place. So for this number, if you want to get the expanded form of any number, what you have to do? You have to add all the place values of every digit. You have to add the place values of every digit in the number. So what is the place value of 2? 2 is in which place? Lakhs place. 2 lakhs. Plus 0 is in which place? 10,000s place. 0 10,000s. Okay. Plus 5 is in which place? 5,000s. Plus 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. 400s. 3 is in which place? Tens place. 3 tens. Plus 1 is in which place? Ones place. 1 ones. Okay. So 2 lakhs, 0 10,000s. If you don't write this also, no problem is there, because 0 into something is 0. 5,000s, 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 1 ones. So that is the answer. Okay. So next one, B. Let us talk about B. 9 9 7 4 3 2. For this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is lakhs place. Okay. 9 lakhs plus 9 10,000s plus 7,000s. So directly I am writing. Okay. 9 lakhs, 9 in 10,000s plus 9 10,000s, 7 is in thousands plus 7,000s, plus 4 in hundreds plus 400s, plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. So this is the second one. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? C. Just a minute. C is what? 8 10 0 5 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. This is 10,000. This is lakhs. So expanded form. 8 is in which place? Lakhs place. 8 lakhs plus 1 is in which place? 10,000s place. 1 10,000 plus 0 in thousands place. 0 thousands plus 0 in hundreds place. 0 hundreds plus 5 is in tens place. 5 tens plus 0 in ones place. 0 ones. So this is the expanded form. Okay. So we have completed. Just divide them. You have to write which digit is in which place. So 0 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place. Like that you have to write for every digit. And 8 is in lakhs place. 8 lakhs plus 1 is in 10,000s place. 1 10,000s. Like that 8 lakhs is the place value of 8. 1 thousands is 1 10,000s is the place value of 1. Like that, if you are adding all the place values of every digit in a number, then you are going to get the expanded form. Okay. So you may have learned this in your smaller classes also. Okay. So with this we have completed this section warm up. Okay. So next we are going to discuss about numbers beyond numbers beyond 9,99,999. This is the topic name. Okay, so there is a small story type of discussion here. Roma was looking at a car advertisement in a newspaper. So there is a girl, Roma. What she is doing, she is looking into the newspaper. There she saw about the car advertisement. Okay, 10 lakh satisfied customers in 5 years. So what is the meaning of that? 10 lakh people has bought that car and they are satisfied with that car. So she was confused as she did not know how to read that large number. So she is a small girl, so she did not know how to read that big number. So that is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs we know, but that small girl, she did not know how to read that number, so she got confused. So she had learned to read and write 6-digit numbers only, but that given number is a 7-digit number. She know up to 6-digit numbers only. Okay, so what she did, so let us help her to read the large numbers. Okay, so let us make her learn to read how to know the number names of the large numbers. Okay, so let us discuss about this numbers beyond 9,999. There are two place value systems to represent large numbers. So I am writing here, there are two place value systems to represent large numbers. Okay, to represent large numbers there are two types of place value systems. What are they? Indian place value system, which we use in India. Okay, Indian place value system. Second one is international place value system. So this is the introduction. Okay, so there are two place value system to represent large numbers. Okay, there are, what are the Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay, so in Indian place value system, how we will represent a number and what will be the number name. In international place value system, how we will represent, how we will separate periods with help of commas. Okay, how to read a number name, those all will be different, because this is different place value system. Which we use in India is Indian place value system, which foreign countries use, other countries will use international place value system. These both are place value, there are two place value systems, so which we will use, Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay, so in next class we are going to learn about Indian place value system and international place value system. Okay, this is the introduction for your today's class. So as we have entered a new chapter, large numbers, this is the introduction. Okay, so we will discuss clearly about Indian place value system and international place value system in the upcoming classes. Okay, so with this I am concluding the class for today. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about these two place value systems. In these two place value system, we will know how to represent a number, what is a number name. Okay, how to read a large numbers, how many periods are there, how many place values are there. All this we can learn in the next class. Okay, thank you.